Okay, good evening, class. Tonight I'm going to talk about how we are going to make our console more appropriate for us. Then no more missing outputs, right? Just like last time, let's just test it. This goes to 100. Okay, as you can see, it's broken. But yeah, the inputs or the outputs are broken. So in order to fix that, we just try it one more time. Then we have this console, our terminal. All we need to do is go to settings. Okay, and then we are now in the settings page. So all we need to do is select the default terminal application and change it to Windows Console Host. Okay, and from that we need to close this. And if you wish to see your output again, okay, it's still destroyed. So I think I didn't save that, so that's something we need to know. It's going to you need to save it first. Okay, from that we know that our output will now look like this one. Okay, so no more outputs that are destroyed during Windows 11 execution. And apart from that, you can also set the defaults for your program, such as the fonts, okay, the size of the fonts. And when you run this again, okay, I think it didn't change. Uh, let's just change the other parts. So I click OK, and then also okay, I'll change some parts of it. Properties. Okay, change it to 36. There, that's it. That's the one that I'm talking about. Okay. I close this. I hope it saves. Yes, it saves. So when I do it again, change the colors. We can do that. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. So if you want to customize your console, then that's how you do it. Okay, and if you are more of a programmer, you just head to this URL and copy this certain command and paste it. Okay, paste it here, and you will see some of the states or some parts of your program. Open it with a familiar text editor. Okay, and you can see those different properties of your console. Okay, so these are the schemes, and as you can see, I will search on text and nothing. Okay, screen text. Okay, nothing there. If you wish to explore, and make sure you don't destroy anything while you are exploring. So this is how you change some parts of your console. Okay, so for my part, I don't change anything. Okay, but if you wish to do it, then that's the way. Just in case you get the error of missing the header of your program, like header or this part of your. Okay, let me just show you what I mean. Okay, just in case you suddenly destroy some of your program where this part is lost, okay, you can, let me just change it back to how Windows 11 terminal looks like. Yes, this one. And just suddenly if you click something over here that says full screen or focus, okay, and then you saved it, the terminal will no longer look like having a header, just like this one. Yeah, troublesome, right? No more header, you can see it's gone. So the only way to fix that is what I said. You copy the code from this one and then paste it in. Oh, 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 that's good. And paste it in your file manager. Okay, let's just say you have a new file manager there. And paste it there. Paste it there. Okay, it's no longer accessible. Okay. Okay, there. Windows doesn't allow me to go there anymore, I think. So regardless, it's here. I'll open it. And as you can see, it's on maximized focus. So I'm just gonna change it to default and save, and then close the file, then reopen again my console. Okay, I retain the tab. So going back, so the only way to change it that your output will not be destroyed is right click, select settings, and then for default terminal application, select console host and save. And just do a rerun, and then that's your output. Okay, not anymore destroyed by the evil Windows 11 terminal. So that's all for tonight, class. I'm very sorry for some glitches I have encountered. It is not a practice recording, so I'm just sharing this to you in YouTube. I hope you learn more. I hope you learn with your friends. So stay safe and goodbye.